so I wanted to do a little bit of a review because some exciting things happened in 2024. Woo! So for the first time, we had people from the PNW go to the UPDIF. All the way to Kentucky, that was our team. Kyle and Becky went, Isaac and I went, and we all walked away with some placements. So those are the Kyle got 10th in Greedy. Kyle and Becky both got second overall in throwing of pairs. Isaac was on the podium a couple of times, third freestyle junior and junior throw and go, and I ended up with 10th in women's far out. And I had to put this in there because we both had pictures.
What? I don't remember that.
Another exciting thing that happened is we had the PNW regionals for the first time, and on the screen is all the people that went, and we really represented in the PNW regionals. Our area. I just have some placement photos of our different placements up here, but everybody walked away with placement, podium placement. So there's a couple more. Corey with his 3 pew pews.
That's so cool.
And then Isaac and Easton jumping off. And we also had triple crown placements. The Pacific Northwest is really represented in the top overall of the entire UpDog organization. We're number 2 overall. And Bree and Montucky were number 4. Cool pictures here because
One of each.
So both representing there. And T got number 9 in intermediate. And I wish you guys were 11, weren't you? Just out of the top 10, but I mean, even to make it into the top 20, that's a really competitive. Top 15 placements, so we're looking at the, wave 1 invites for UpDiv. Corey and Anya, and this is as of right now, it may change before the end of the year, may get better, may get worse, but this is where it's at when I did the slideshow. Corey's number 4 in boom, number 7 in men's far out, and number 10 in spaced out. So that means 3 wave 1 invites if you wish to go. Me and Sky were 11 in funky, 12 in women's far out, 13 in 7 under, 14 in boom. It's my dog. She's totally just my dog. Me and Finn are 11 women's far out. Dale and Riley are sitting number 7 in fragility. And number 15 in funky for a 10-year-old dog. That's smashing good. Rob and Bella are also sitting number 10 in the fun. We blasted through the funky. Like we have amazing in the funky game right now. All right, 2024 awards. So we're going to do this in 2 different ways. We have some plaques for some seriously super cool awards that we felt like we needed to give, but we also wanted to give out some fun awards. So you want to do this, Jenna?
Yep.
It's starting from here.
Okay.
Yep. All right, the first one, we try to do a Spirit of UpDog award at every trial. But this person that we chose, we are all in agreement on this. This person that we chose exudes Spirit of UpDog. And that's April. If you haven't played with us for a while, then you've been missed for sure.
What?
You haven't played with us for a while, and you've been missed for sure. All right, number 2. Even though he's my kid, he's a smashing good junior, and he got top junior this year. This kid actually went to a trial in BC and played in the novice amongst adults and walked away with 5 placements out of 10. But that was last year, but still. All right, we wanted to give another award for best dressed, and none other than Christy. She always has her dogs in fun costumes, even when it's not like the time for it. She always comes for dressed up for the occasion. All right, next one, most improved throw throughout the whole season, and that's Lauren. Really improved over the last year, like since we started playing. Most improved dog, we are all in agreement on this, and that's Dusty. Using all the brain cells that are there.
Well, one single one got.
And he didn't run away today. He ran a little bit of zoomies, but he didn't run away. So that was like
He was
massive
fantastic.
progress. Huge. Yeah. Next one is the most dedicated because she came to every trial and she drives 4.5 hours every time, and that's Suzanne. Yeah. We didn't do catch of the year, and we should have, and it would have gone to you as well. All right, the next one it's called the Rookie of the Year, and I think we're going to try to make this a tradition. This is a baby dog that rocketed through the ranks, started out novice, and is ending the year going into expert.
Russ.
Yeah, baby dog. And then we have one for most versatile, and this is a dog and humans and team that we chose because this dog plays with 2 high-level players and just switches like it's no big deal. So, Edie is most versatile. And then Corey crunched some numbers for the top amount of points in the trials that we've done all year. Top throwing games goes to Corey. Given it's 200 points far out. And then for top agility games, I might have to play a little agility with her. Changing my mind. I just don't like the people there. All right, so this one is a little bit serious and a little bit not serious, but we have 2 people that came to mind for the most competitive.
Okay.
And so that's Dale and Rob, and so they each get a half. They can go best 3 out of 5, rock, paper, scissors, and get a whole one.
That's funny. They do that too.
All right, and now some fun awards that we came up with. And fun awards get come pick a stuffy. Okay. All right, first category is most sass. Who wants to guess? Anybody?
Dummy?
Close. Yeah. It was a toss-up. And then next category is someone asked her if she's okay. Think about someone eating shit. Jenna? Jenna?
A dog, not a
How
human.
about Annie?
Oh yeah, Annie.
She ate shit so bad before we had to outline. So we'll save it for her. The tiny but mighty category.
Ember.
Amber.
Yeah!
And next we have best junior debut. Who could that be?
Me.
Go take it away.
Go pick a toy.
And we have an always needs a coat category.
Always needs a
We know it's whippets, but which whippet is it?
coat. I thought you said coat.
Your coat.
I like that. Everybody's like,
Always
dog.
needs a coat. Yeah. It could be. It could work.
Oh, she does. Cute. She said, no, thank you.
Always needs a coach. And this one we probably should have put in the serious category, but most supportive. We had a lot of people in the running for Spirit of Up Dog, and some of you would have gotten double awards, so we were trying to. But that's Ashley. She's always helping. She's always cheering on. She's always giving encouragement, and yeah, most supportive fits her really well. The next one is needs stone med kit.
He's got the, yeah.
John. He literally has gone through like all of our med kit stuff, so. I mean, it's funny, not funny. Who's the dog that has the best time on the field no matter what? Catches, no catches, doesn't matter.
Dax?
It's Dax. He has no self-image no matter what.
Cute buddy. He does everything.
Okay, now this one could be a lot of dogs, but needs to enter full trials, and then we'll win the big room.
Monty?
Oh.
I did. Oh, you did.
I got.
That's the flying pig. It's the flying pig.
You did! That's right.
And then we also have a champion volunteer. This is someone who literally wears every hat of every volunteer thing we ever need, and she always goes for whatever is needed, and that's Teresa.
Yes.
Okay, and then there's some people will understand this part, but I have a can't enter trials in advance category.
Cindy?
Kate. Every time she enters, she ends up with an injury. She can only show up, stay up.
You should go get a toy for me.
And then we have the gambler. Who's the gambler? Kyle. He was in the running for most competitive, but it was too hard to split the award in 3. All right, now we have best hair, and this is dog hair. Everett.
Best hair.
Flint.
Yeah.
And then, I mean, you can't have awards without a best baby dog. Fiction.
Oh,
She's one of the
cute.
greatest little shit dogs. Like, she's really solid.
Cutie.
And then this one is the one to watch. Who are we having to watch out for? Breed in Montana.
Yeah.
And that's all the awards I have.
Woo!
And we don't have any Canadians going home to take these to Dale and Rob.
Yes.
No, we missed Carly earlier. Carly scooted.
All right, so, yeah, if you're, whoever has gotten awards can definitely pick up a toy for me later, but that is all I got, guys.
Thank you.
Where's your award?
I have top agility. Yeah. I don't know.
It's in the box. I didn't want to take it away from you and then put it somewhere else. Bye, everybody.